but I ain't far from a millionaire. Started in a trap, I know some niggas and they still there. Not a bougie nigga like the fit, I'm gon' still wear it. I ain't got no ice, but this bitch, she gon' still stay. What's poppin', gang? We back here with another YouTube video. Yes, sir. It's your boy Dawaine Sails. And look. So, somebody wanted to play the game. Somebody wanted to play the game, literally, right now. And I was like, you can't play the game until we learn. We're gonna learn something. You heard me?
Yeah.
I said we gonna learn before. Huh? You heard me? Ah! We're gonna learn before he play the game. What?
I said yes, I'm ready.
Yes, sir. He ready to learn, y'all. So his books. Where's your? I think they're in the drawer. And
Nope, not the book.
he said, nope, not the books. Yes, the books. We gotta get into them books. Cause look, you can't be nothing in life without learning, okay? What is, you gotta start watching TikTok videos, huh? You gotta start watching, they got you doing some crazy junk. Hey, yes, sir. You about to start boxing? And I think I'm gonna put him in boxing, y'all. I think I'm gonna put him in boxing. So, boom. Alright, you ready to learn? Huh? You ready to learn?
Yeah.
And Uncle might give you something hard. You hear me?
Yeah.
Uncle might put you to the test. You ready?
Yeah.
Come on, let's go learn.
I'm gonna sit on the floor.
We gonna sit on the floor? Okay. So y'all, I only had a little bit of cash because I mainly.
No, this is mine.
Oh, you go ahead. Huh?
This is mine.
So boom. I mainly keep my card with me at all times, and it's rare for me to take cash off my card. So boom, we got a little bit of cards, but I can't find all of his stuff, his learning stuff when he over here. It's a lot, but
Yeah.
we've been doing too much stuff, moving around, moving this and that. So boom, yo, I got these cards. My boy been reading. He know how to read, y'all. When I be in my phone, he be reading my phone, reading my text messages. Stop reading all my messages. You can't be reading. Look at his face. Yo, you can't be reading Uncle messages.
Yes, I can.
No, you can't.
Yes, I
No, you can't be reading my messages.
Yes, I can.
No, I don't want you to read my messages.
Yes, I can.
So boom. Alright, y'all. So boom, we back. And now I have my cards, because my boy won't play around too much. So boom, now I have my cards. Now, what does this say, y'all? Alright, I'm gonna let y'all read that. Oh, look at my, oh, I thought I do got a braid sticking up. Hold on. Alright, so boom. What this say? I'm gonna let y'all see it first, and then he can see it. Alright, now boom, what this say?
That says ball player.
Oh my God! Stop playing with him. Now what they do? One more? You wanna do one more?
What?
You wanna do one more?
The one more what?
One more word?
Yeah, no, all of the words.
You wanna do all of them?
Yeah.
Oh, hold on. Hold on. I bet. Boom, bow, bow, and boo. So what this say?
Huh? That says postman.
Oh! My guy too smart. Stop playing with him. Now spell postman.
Postman.
Spell it.
Spell it?
Mm-hmm.
It's a P and a O and a S and a T and a M and an A and an N.
Oh my gosh. Now spell postman.
Okay. It's a P and a O.
Uh-huh.
Bruh, I can't spell all the words.
He needs some milk.
Alright, now you can spell it one more time. Now spell it.
P and a O and a S and a T and a M and a A and an N.
Okay, now try to spell postman. My bad. I'm pinning you to the test. I'm pinning you to the test.
I can't do that.
Okay. Don't say we can't, okay? We gonna try. Spell postman again.
Okay. P
Uh-huh.
and a O
Mm-hmm.
and a S and a T and a M and a A and a N.
Yes, sir.
We go put the, you guys, we go put this one to the side because he was having trouble with this one. So we go put this one to the side. Okay. Now boom. Spell doctor.
Doctor? Okay.
I mean, I'm sorry, I'm messing up. This is doctor. Spell doctor. You can look.
Okay. No,
you can look.
No,
oh, you don't want to look?
I don't want to.
Ooh.
They can fit it right here. Okay, so D and a O and a C and a C and a T and a O and a R.
Yes, sir. Now spell doctor.
Okay. It's a D and a O.
Mhm.
And the C
Uh-huh.
and the T
Uh-huh.
and the O and the R.
Yes, sir. High five. My guy's smart. Stop playing with him. So, boo, we go. He can play the game. He can play the. He can. Huh?
And what about other dollars?
You can have him. So, boom, my guy's smart. He out here. Give me high five. You gotta give me high five. I ordered our food. I ordered food.
Yeah.
And then you can go play the game for a little bit. So you guys, I don't know why the camera look like this. Probably because of this light on. And I'm gonna turn this off for y'all. So boom. So boom. So boom. So boom and boom. Hold on, y'all. So look. I ordered our food.
Yeah.
I ordered our food.
Yeah, you did.
Huh? It's on the way. So me and my nephew got the exact same shorts. I'm about to go. We about to be matching. We about to be matching one of these days. No cap. I got these shorts on. I think we finna match one day, yo. For real, the day is today. We finna match and take pictures. No cap. The lady just now pulling off, but I hate how they do this. They put the food on the floor. That is terrible. Our food is finally here, you guys. Our food is here.
That was me, bro.
Huh?
That was me. I just killed him. I just killed him.
You killed who?
Bruh, the guy that killed me. Got me.
Bro, I need to teach you to get better, cause you. Oh, okay, show me something there. Kill him. Kill. One more hit. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Stop playing with. Hey, look. If you want to play with him on Fortnite, my gamer tag is Dawaine Sails, but right now.
This. Bruh.
One more hit. Oh.
Dang, somebody else killed him.
I see here. Alright, so boom, if y'all want to play with him on Fortnite, he be on my account. My account is Dawaine Sails.
I'm gonna kill you, bro.
Okay, go crazy. Go. He killed you. Stop playing. Alright, you guys, we are about to eat our food. Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Here's my drink.
And you guys, if you guys watching my live, let me not say it. Let me not say it.
Why?
Cause let me not say
Because I beat him up and he fell.
Alright, y'all, he beat me up and took all my money. You wanna tell him? Yeah. Go ahead and tell him. You beat me up and took all my money.
Yeah, I did.
Ah.
Let me see the straw, please.
Alright, but you can't be drinking a lot till you eat, okay?
I know. Let me drink a little bit.
Okay.
Did my drink right there, please?
Uh-huh.
Hey.
Alright, you guys, we finna eat our food. And you wanna know something?
What?
Your brother's come back today.
Today? I know.
Mm-hmm. Your brother come back
Give
today.
me my fry back.
You want your fries?
Give me my fry back.
You're welcome.
Hey, oh my.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
And this is yours. These are mine. What are you doing?
Wait a minute.
I got the biggest one. Yeah, you tripping. Alright, so boom. And then you got.
Hey, wait.
What?
Hold on.
What?
Where's my sauce?
Sauce? Here.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Oh my gosh. You asked for Chick-fla-A sauce. I got Polynesian sauce. My bad.
Oh my god, I like Polynesian.
Oh, I bet. You got a girlfriend?
Huh?
You got a girlfriend?
Yeah.
Who your girlfriend? Who your girlfriend?
Jackie.
Who? Oh, who is they? You got a girlfriend?
Yeah.
Who your girlfriend?
Maya.
Who is Maya?
Naya.
Naya?
Yeah.
Who is Naya?
I said Naya.
Nigel?
Yeah.
Who that?
Bro, you know who that.
No, I don't. Who Nigel? Cause look, your uncle been single for 3 years.
No, you're not single. You're a rapper.
I'm a rapper. Oh no, I'm not talking about. I'm not talking about music. I'm talking about. I've been single without no girlfriend for 3 years. I'm looking for a girlfriend. I've been wanting a girlfriend for so long.
You got a girlfriend already.
I don't got. Who my girlfriend? Who my girlfriend?
Brooklyn.
Oh my gosh, that is not my girlfriend.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not. That's my friend.
Yes, it is.
That's my friend.
Yes, it is.
Oh.
Yes, it is.
I like your cut, G.
Chill. You sound like you cut you. I bet you wanna play. Bet. That's why you had to tell me. Let's pray. Amen.
Like Cudgy.
Chill. Pop, I like you, Cudgy. I like you, Cudgy.
Like Cudgy.
Bro, you going crazy. You going crazy.
Now open this door for me right now, please.
Oh yeah, you better say that, please, because you didn't say that, please. I was not opening no sauce for you. Okay.
Open it right now, please.
Whoa. Oh, he added the please over it, so it's cool. You could talk to me like that as long as you say please and thank you. Alright?
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
There you go.
Stop.
There you go.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome, man.
Wait a second, hold on.
What?
I need to put it right there.
Here, you can put it. You can put it on this. And I didn't even know they had this. No cap. Picture sauce right here. Boom.
Boom. That's
Boom.
not gonna fit.
It's not gonna fit. Alright, boom. Cause you is messy. You don't know how to eat. So
Yeah,
who?
just
Put it over there.
right here.
Here. Please don't spill it. Your dad gonna kill me. This is bad. If it was my bed, I wouldn't care. But your dad gonna kill me. He just bought these sheets and he's gonna kill me. Okay?
This is right there.
Ah, he changed his mind. Said, put it over there. I'm playing, bro. You can eat it, bro. If this is meal, I'll buy it. I'll buy it, bro. I'll buy some new sheets. It's cool. I'll buy them some new sheets. Alright, now back to his girlfriend thing. I don't have a girlfriend, and I've been crushing on the girl, but she keep playing with my heart, so I think I'm gonna just have to leave her alone. So boom. If you're single and I look good, tell them. Say uncle wants you. Say my uncle wants you to be his girlfriend. But look, you gotta know how to cook. You gotta know how to clean. I'll pay for everything. That's cool. I'll pay for everything. But if you don't know how to cook or clean or nothing else, what? Tell them we don't want them if they can't cook for us, okay?
Made it out the hood, but I ain't far from a millionaire. Started in a trap, I know some niggas and they still